Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurin Hannani Binti Muhammad Hameran, and I'm going to talk about analysis of movies released in Netflix in 2019. So my group members consist of Mohammad Danial bin Azmi Raif, me myself Nurin Hannani Binti Muhammad Hameran, Afifah binti Ahamad Tajudin, Jasmin Ellisya binti Muhammad Ihsan, and Mohammad Aizad Amiz bin Abdul Mutalib. Okay, for the introduction, Netflix is an American over-the-top content channel and production company based in Los Gatos, California. Netflix was founded in 1997 by Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph in Scotts Valley, California. The company's main business is subscription-based entertainment, a service that allows users to watch movies and TV shows online, including those made in-house. In this project, our group has decided to work on the analysis of movies released in Netflix in 2009. The objective of our project is to observe the Netflix behavior in terms of type, country, release, rating, and listed in. Besides, we have decided to work on the analysis job of analyzing based on dataset we found on Kaggle website. Okay, for the suggestion to obtain good analyzation, first, new features should be updated as soon as possible in previous dataset to avoid duplications. And picking the best model is important in making prediction based on your datasets. In our case, we use pie chart, box plot, and bar graph. Once we found the model that works best with our data, we can play with the parameters the model takes in and see whether we can get even better analysis.
For our problem description, we have two types of goal, which is business goal and technical goal. For our business goal, it is to observe Netflix behavior on movies and TV shows selected by them in 2019. For technical goal, we only use descriptive analysis because our project is about analyzing and studying about the data, and we are not about forecasting. So the first question under descriptive analysis is which type of ratings are the most frequent. So this meaning of rating is about PG-13, TVMA, rated R, that type of rating. And the second question is Netflix selected more TV shows than movies or vice versa. The third question, what are the top countries Netflix takes most movies and TV shows from? The fourth question, which year release of movies and TV shows are the most frequent? The fifth question, which genre of movies and TV shows Netflix selected the most?
Hello, my name is Jasmin, and right now I'm going to talk about data description. So the data that we obtain are from Kaggle.com. This data set consists of 12 attributes and 7,787 amount of data in total. Just because the data has been trained and tested doesn't mean that the final result is accurate. So to avoid this inaccuracy, we specifically chosen the suitable attributes that align with our purpose of the research. The attributes that have been chosen are type, indicates whether it is a TV show or a movie. Second is country, indicates TV show and movie by country. Third is release _year, indicates the year of the TV show and movie was released. Fourth is rating, indicates the rating system of the TV show and movie. Last but not least is listed _in, indicates the genre of the TV show and movie. Moreover, seeing that we set a limit of attributes in dataset, we managed to accurately handle all data since we only focused on the features that needed to be executed. Thus, we can find the behavior of Netflix according to the types, films released by year, film released by country, ratings, and genres.
Welcome and hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Danial bin Azmi Raif and I'll be presenting the data preparation part. So firstly, for the importing of the data, to import the Netflix titles.csv data inside R, these lines of codes is written, which is Netflix read.csv and the Netflix titles.csv files. So for the next part is the object structure. So to check the object structure for Netflix, these lines of codes is used, which is the str bracket Netflix. So as we can see in the output, we know that the data have 7,787 rows, 12 columns, and each column's data type, which is most of them are character, but only one variable is integer, which is the release year. is missing data. So to check for the missing data inside the Netflix, firstly we check the NA value inside the Netflix by using sum is.na Netflix. So the output is 0, which is no NA value at all, but for the second way is the sum Netflix equals to empty apostrophe, and the output is 3,631 total of empty values inside the Netflix. Since there are a total of 3,631 empty cells in the data frame, the empty cells are now filled with NA by Netflix square bracket Netflix equal empty apostrophe and insert the NA value inside it. So with the empty cells filled with NA now, we can remove all the rows with NA values and insert new data inside new Netflix by new Netflix Netflix bracket complete.cases Netflix and close the bracket. So we can check the new Netflix total rows by using the nrow new Netflix. So as we can see, the total rows are now 4,808 from a total of 7,787 rows. Now for exporting the data, since all those data have been prepared, these new data were written into new CSV file called new_Netflix_titles by writing write.csv bracket new Netflix, file equals to apostrophe new_Netflix titles.csv. So with the new prepared data, our solution can be done with no missing values.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to everyone. So I am Mohammad Aizad Amiz by Mutalib. I will describe about the solution for the project. Based on our project, we have decided to use data description solution or data description method to analyze our data, interpreting our data to get the best outcome and the best solution. So there's 5 things that we highlighted in this solution. The first one is about the rating. So we have decided to use our language to make some pie chart form because it's easier to understand and better for making comparison. For the first part, we want to show the Netflix rating for each TV show or movie to make some reduction regarding the rating based on popularity. It shows that TVMA is the most rating for movie and TV shows in Netflix. Next, we will having the pie chart for numbers of Netflix movie and TV show. The pie chart show clearly that the most of Netflix give a lot of concentration to produce a lot of qualities of movie than TV shows. We will highlight it about the release year of Netflix movie and TV shows. We have decided to do box plots in the R language, using the R language to distinguish the information in the data. So as we can see in the box plot, it shows that all the movie in Netflix is up to date, and Netflix is providing the latest movie show which are very well favored globally. And the next point is about the bar chart, which we have created to show the total movies and TV shows based on country. It shows that the Uruguay is the most famous country to shows and to view the movie in the Netflix. And the last point that I will highlight it in the solution of the data description of this solution is regarding the bar chart of top directors from Netflix movie and TV shows. It shows that all the directors making a good outcome from the Netflix, and there is two directors who is most frequent having their name in the Netflix and make their way to the top of the Netflix. Thank you.
Based on the analysis that has been made, we finally able to understand the Netflix behavior and pattern on movies and TV shows selected by them in 2019. Okay, the dataset that are not complete have been removed and we finally utilize complete and useful attributes which are type, country, release year, rating and listed in for better clarification. Okay, next, Netflix give a lot of concentration to produce more quality movie than TV show. We solely believe that in maintaining a complete dataset will improve the analysis process and we will get the accurate result. Thank you.